Alright, now the post is level and plumb, we can measure the width of this flight now. The overall measurement was 963, and then we have to minus the thickness of the stringers left on, which is 40 mil.
So we've just cut our treads to the width that we need them. We're going to cut the wedges down 20 mil smaller to get the riser, and then the one for the post as well. So that's the size of a wedge for the post. So we've trimmed our wedges, tread wedge, riser wedge, front post wedge.
Alright, so now that we've got everything cut, we put the wall stringer on the ground, and that's the side that we make the flight up on, because the inside stringer is going to be seen open face. We'll wedge this and then we'll square it.
So we're squaring up the flight before we lift it.
Good.
We're just going to cut 2 props, so when we lift it in, it'll hold itself and give us some time to adjust it.
Come up, keep hold of that with you. Put your prop on it. Alright, now you can push that. Just keep hold of it. I'm going to tap it back.
Oh, just like I bought one.
Put that on the bottom one.
Just like the back winder, you measure back to the wall on this winder as well. Level. Once he had it level, he put a line top and bottom. If it went out, we could see that we were taking it out of level as we went. So just like the top post, we're going to plumb it, mark the floor so we know where it stays.
Might have to hold it.
Okay, so now we just get our overall measurement of our flight. Just going to make sure she doesn't go past the wall and then cut our bottom flight to suit. Same again, treads are width of flight minus what's left on the stringer. We're going to line that up to the back. So it should finish like that if there's a bottom post.
Nearly.
You- Three glue blocks in the back, 3 screws in the back, 1 screw at the top. Just fit our bottom post.
Just a mallet that I left on site yesterday.
So we're about to put in a bottom riser. Don't forget you've got a bottom floor allowance, so that riser will be different to all the others, it'll be ripped to suit. So we're going to fit the riser with 2 screws into the back of each post, top and bottom. Don't want any glue on your hands, man.
My hands are like 50-year-old hands anyway.
So now we just parallel the flight to the back wall. This is a bit of a trick. Once that's done, let's put a line on the front of the riser so you know where it should stay. Next measurement is to cut the stringer. So measure from inside the trench to the wall.
Alright, so now we're going to measure the stringer out. So we inside the trench here, we've got 915. Everything should be squared off the top of the tread. So the tread in the riser is always square, so that's where we get our marks.
Yeah, that's the line. So we're going to plumb the post up, making sure our riser's still on that line, okay? So now we just square the stringer up off the back wall.
And our mark.
So measure the wall stringer. So the winder will come numbered. So this is winder number 4. And there are 2 marks always left. That's the end we don't want to cut. So we're going to cut this end of the winder.
We want to line the 2 stringers up so that the winder is all in one line.